Hi, I'm Roger Montgomery from Montgomery Investment Management, and with me is Brett Craig from Aura Credit Holdings. G'day, Brett.
G'day, Roger.
I'm here with Brett because I wanted to explain why Montgomery is partnering with Brett and Aura Credit Holdings to deliver the Aura High Yield SME Fund. Many of you are familiar with our domestic equity offerings, the Montgomery Fund, the Montgomery Small Companies Fund, and the Montgomery Private Fund. And you'll also be familiar with our partnership with Poland Capital in the United States to deliver the Poland Capital Global Growth Fund and also their SMID or Small and Medium Sized Global Fund. But what we didn't have at Montgomery is something of an equally high quality that we could offer investors the opportunity to generate an attractive income. And Brett's fund, the Aura High Yield SME Fund, has a 4.5-year track record of delivering monthly income. In fact, it's delivered a return of about 9.8% per annum after all expenses and fees, and that's an average of about 0.79% per month. Now, I don't want you comparing this fund to a term deposit. It isn't a term deposit. And as you'll find out in the next couple of videos, which I commend you to watch, it'll explain private credit in Australia and that space in general, as well as more details about the fund. So join me over the next couple of videos to understand what private credit is and to find out a little bit more about this new fund for Montgomery investors. So Brett, I said earlier in my introductory question that the asset class private credit's been growing quickly in Australia. Can you explain why that's the case?
I think there have been a number of drivers to the growth in the market. Obviously, we've been in a very low interest rate environment for a period of time since COVID really kicked in, and investors are looking to get a higher rate of return on their fixed income portfolios. The other thing is we've seen bonds and corporate facilities being very volatile, and investors have been looking for an asset class with some more capital stability. Within our fund, our key focus is capital preservation. So we look to structure our deals with the first objective being capital preservation, followed by hitting a return. So this fund is a wholesale-only strategy. So it's open to investors who have, according to the Corporations Act definition of a wholesale investor, over $2.5 million worth of investable assets, taxable income over $250,000 in the previous two tax years, or they invest over $500,000. The fund distributes monthly distributions, or you can take a distribution reinvestment program, and we offer monthly applications and redemptions.
I'm sure you'll have a lot more questions about private credit, and the rest of the team here at Montgomery Investment Management are happy to take your calls and emails at any time.